Hi everybody and welcome to your Rise and Sweat workout number 3. So today we're gonna do a little bit of the cardio and abs, and here I have my stationary bike and I'm gonna pair it with the floor ab exercises. So we have 12 minutes in front of us and we're gonna alternate between the bike and the core exercises. If you don't have a bike at home, then you can do, let's say, high knees, you can do burpees, you can do jumping jacks, you can do jump rope, anything that will actually mimic the cardio exercise. So now if you're ready, let's start this workout. All right, I'm gonna press my start here. 15 seconds of your rest and 45 seconds of your work. And let's do this. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Yeah. And you breathe. Like I said before, you can do any other exercise if you don't have bike. I just have a bike at home, which is very convenient. Okay. 12 minutes is in front of us. Come on. Push it. Three, 2, 1. All right, next one. We're gonna go into bicycle abs. You lay down and we alternate knees to the elbow. Breathe. You got this. Ten seconds. Three, 2, 1. Okay. Round 2 on the bike. You have just enough time to transition. 2, 1, and we go. You can speed it up a little bit faster. You can even go up. You can alternate between different bike stations. Make it harder. 20 seconds to go. Breathe. Whew. Three, 2, and 1. All right. Next one, we do side V-ups for our obliques. You go on your side, engage your core, and we're gonna crunch up. You can also crunch it up with your legs extended. Breathe. Full range of motion. Okay. Whew. Let's go back to our bikes. Whew. And we go. You can sprint it out. Good that I have a nice breeze. 20 seconds. Two, one. Side the abs on the other side. Go up, down. 'Keep your core tight. Don't let it go. Really suck it in. 3, 2, last one. Believe it or not, I'm already soaking. Good job. Let's go. We got this. Fight it through. Huffing and puffing. Two and one. All right. Oh, it started easy, but then it's hard now. Next one, dead bugs. This one is great for the internal core. Just perfect. TVA muscles are working. Awesome. A little bit more. Comment down below which exercise you have chosen to be your cardio. I want to know. Okay, so we are playing here with different tempos. Go a little bit faster. You can lean forward if you want to, like a sprint. It will burn. Holy smoke. Okay. Next one, we have heel taps. Lift yourself up, heels together, and we reach. If you want to, you can also have weights here in your hands. This one's intense. 5 seconds. 2. Okay, and we have our last bike session. I have to go with this one. Now, let's go. All in. You can do this. Three, 2, 1. Okay, next one. We have single leg jacks. Nice. Come up, extend back. And we're done. Oh, that was a good one. Nice, sweet, easy. We got our heart rate up. We got our core. All right. And guys, that's our rise and sweat session number 3. I hope you like this one. It's a very good one. So, like I said, in the morning, I love to train in my bikinis. So I get my workout in, get my sunshine in, vitamin D in. It feels great. It's summertime. Why not? You know, be yourself. Do what makes you happy. And I will bring some more awesome content for you guys. So yeah, so if you would also like to become my member, then please subscribe or sign up for a membership. I have 2 options now, behind the scenes and also Fit Club, where you're gonna get additional 3 workouts per week to work out with me. So that's how it is. If you wanna have also full-length programs, then you can go to my webpage, fitnessbymaya.com, where I'm selling programs and workout series there, and for one-time purchase only. All right, thank you so much for training with me, and I see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, share this video. Got a boo-boo. All right.